YouTube, what's up? It's your boy HamBusy30, and I'm back with another video. This is the all-new 2020 Ford Ranger, the Lariat Edition. Give you a quick walk around. It's a little bigger than the regular Ford, Ford Rangers they've been putting out over the years. At first I thought it was discontinued, but obviously it isn't. Check out the inside. Okay, see it got that leather. Don't have the sunroof, of course. Small truck bed. Oh yeah, let's see. It only got 11,448 miles. Of course, you see it got the navigation. Review camera. Got some pretty soft leather. Pretty soft leather. Check out this engine and see what we got. Another 4-cylinder. Small truck bed. It doesn't have the soft touch tailgate thing either. I said just a basic Ford Ranger Lariat Edition. Lariat meaning got leather and stuff. Pretty decent size. Quick review on this car. It's your boy HamBusy30. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell for all post notifications. We'll go around the car one more time.